So over here you can see that there are a bunch of drives, and if I want to go around and then format a drive of my choice, then what I can do is I can simply go around over here onto the drive I want to format. In my case, I'm just going to go around and format this pen drive that I have right here. So in order to format this, you can right click on the drive and then you can click on format right here. So once you go to format, this is the option that you have. So the capacity is shown as per how much space you have on the particular drive, and you can choose the file system on which you want to format the drive as. So FAT32 is usually for those which is less in size. In my case, my pen drive is 29 GB only, so FAT32 is okay. But for higher file size drives, you can go for NTFS right here. The thing with FAT32, however, is that the maximum file size that it can store is 4 gigabytes and not more than that. So if you want to store out files that are more than 4 gigabytes, then you might want to choose NTFS right here. So here you can leave everything else as you want, and over here you can set the volume label as what you want as well. So let me just go around over here. And let's say I'm going to go around and type in TutorTube right here. So once I do that, this is the volume label. So you can choose full format. If you want to erase everything in the pen drive, then you can use full format right here by unchecking out the quick format. But if you want quick format right here, what happens is that the files are not completely erased. It just tells that the space is okay to use. So by quick format, you're not essentially removing out all the things in the drive. The files are still there, it's not readable, and whenever you add in the file, it is just replacing in the space right here. So if you want to make sure that everything is erased on your drive completely, you may want to disable this, but in my case, I'm just going to go around into quick format right here. So here you can see that there are a bunch of files. So I'm just going to go around back right here. Let me just click and drag it to get back the option. And now I'm going to click on start right here. So it says warning right here because formatting will erase everything in the pen drive. So I'm just going to go around and press OK. And what happens is that it formats out everything right here, as you can see. So now if I were to press OK, then this is what you have, as you can see. So over here, everything has been formatted right here, and this is what you have. And that is how you can format out a drive inside of Microsoft Windows 11. So if you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.